Hi guys, right, okay, this little short video I'm going to show you what I do on a typical new build. It's a brand new build, first people have just moved in, and obviously there's no aerial here, so this is the usual scenario on a new build and what happens, okay? Cheers. Okay, so yeah, had a look in the loft. It's the usual scenario with the new build. There's all the TV points and cables are coiled up in the loft, and that's it. You know, there's no aerials fitted. With new builds, you just don't have the aerial supplied by the developer. They just don't do it. That's across the board. I've never known a new build with an aerial fitted by the developer. So if you're ever going to move into a brand new house, think ahead. You know, you will need a TV aerial fitted, and get, you know, plan ahead and get it sort of arranged for somebody like myself to come and sort it for the day after you move in or something. Right, so yeah, so I'm going to take you up inside the loft and show you what's going on. Okay, so we're up inside the loft, and a bit strange, but this loft's got no insulation put down at all yet. It's quite a big loft, but yeah, normally the insulation's been done. This one hasn't, so in fairness, it makes my life a lot easier because I can see exactly where the joists are to stand on. So yeah, as usual, the coax cables have all just been coiled up and left in the loft, which is fine. That's standard practice. That is, that's how you find it in brand new builds. Don't ever move into a new build thinking the TV is going to work, because it just won't. Okay, there won't be an aerial, never in my experience anyway, and that's nearly 20 years, well, over 20 years. Okay, so we're going to get a loft mount mounted just over there where that cross is. Don't know if you can see it. Mounted, get the aerial. I've already tested the signals. We can get a signal here, but we're going to have to put it into an amplifier because of its, you know, where we are geographically, and the aerial's going in the loft, so we're going to need that to make it work properly. But yeah, we'll get it all fitted up now. Okay, there we go. That's an aerial up in the loft. Quick and simple job, but that's how they all are on these new builds. Cheers for watching.